Hi, my name is Gerardo Inés Luna, and I'm going to explain about the thermal expansion. A thermal expansion is a process where materials expand when they're heated and contract when cooled. This happens because that causes atoms to vibrate more and take up more space. In a metallic strip, two different materials like aluminum fold on paper and join together. Since they expand at different rates when heated, one side expands more than the other, making the strip bend or curve toward the side that expands less. And as it heats up, the aluminum expands more than the paper, causing the strip to bend. When removed from the heat, it goes down and returns at the original shape.
Light reflection is a fundamental phenomenon in optics that occurs when light strikes a surface and is reflected in a specific direction. The case principles governing this phenomenon are present below. Law of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of the reflection. This means that light is reflected in a direction that forms the same angle with the normal to the surface as the angle of incidence. And changing the mirror angle. Changing the orientation of the mirror changes the normal to the surface, and therefore the angles of incidence and reflection also change. However, the law of reflection still holds, and the reflect rays are directed in a direction that maintains the equality between the angle of the incidence and the angle of the reflection.
What I liked the most about physics was thermodynamics, because understanding how the Newton forms. Also, from Archimedes' principle, like all circuits interesting science, I see them in everyday things.
My favorite topic this semester was waves because I really like the way sound moves.
I like the topic of fluids and Pascal principle because it helped me to understand how the works pressure and liquids and how it should be applied in real life.
The topic I like most was heat or thermal energy, since how it is transferred in three key ways: convection, conduction, and radiation. Since we can witness it every day from how a car's engines heat up due to conduction to feeling the heat of a campfire due to radiation.
What I liked the most was knowing phenomena that apply in daily life.
My favorite topic is circuits because I can see how the charge travels into it and how is their functionality.
My favorite topic was pressure because it's so interesting how short small things have more impact than the biggest ones, and it is the opposite that everyone thinks.